What is actually happening now? F-16 fighter plane sound in the game. We will compare. Now is fake. Be careful with your ears.